Aramark's facilities quality assurance process is designed to be comprehensive, easy to manage, and technologically advanced. This new process forms the foundation of our repeatable model focused on continuous improvement and operational excellence. The QA process is driven by a best-in-class mobile inspection application and QC tool called GoSpotCheck. There are currently several inspection missions available to you in GoSpotCheck. In order to get started, follow the link in the previous email to download GoSpotCheck on your mobile device from either the Apple Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. The device being loaded will need to have a current account with either the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Once you have downloaded GoSpotCheck to your device, open up the application by clicking on the icon. You will log in using the Aramark email address that was provided on the initial account inventory template to GoSpotCheck. If you are a first-time user of GoSpotCheck, the first time you log in to the GoSpotCheck mobile app, you will see the app sign-in page. Click on New User, Start Here to initiate login steps. Enter your Aramark email address and select Send Me Instructions. Next, check your email for activation instructions. Click the activation link to create your password. If you open the email link on a desktop browser, you'll be prompted to create your password in a browser window. Otherwise, open the link in your mobile browser to set your password within the app. Once you've verified your email address via the verification link, you'll be directed to set your password in the GoSpotCheck mobile app. Enter a password that contains at least 8 characters. You'll be asked to enter it twice for verification purposes. Tap Start or Continue to be directed to the Choose a Place screen within your app, and you will be up and running. For users that have used GoSpotCheck previously while accessing the Cleaning QC tool, you will simply sign into the mobile application with your Aramark email address and the password that you currently use to log in. Make sure to allow GoSpotCheck to access your location while you use the app. In order to access the O&M QC tool in the mobile app, tap the 3-bar menu in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. From there, you'll be able to switch environments back and forth from the Custodial QC tool to the O&M QC tool directly from within the mobile app. After you've successfully signed in, you will see a list of buildings on the Choose a Place screen. The GoSpotCheck application is designed to show you the closest 200 buildings that you are assigned to based on your geolocation. As you travel around your site, the closest buildings will move to the top of the list. Whatever building you are completing an inspection in will always be at the top of the list when you open the application. When you're ready to begin an inspection, click into the building on the list corresponding with your current location. You will then see a list of missions available for you at that building. In the O&M QC tool, to start, there will be a total of 5 missions available at each building, 3 observational missions and 2 verification missions. The missions are designed to assess the quality of preventative maintenance, work orders, and rounds activities for the O&M service type. Observational missions should be completed while inspecting an individual completing PM work, a work order, or a rounds inspection. Verification missions should be completed to assess the quality of a previously completed PM ticket or work order. Should you be completing a rounds inspection that pertains to more than one building, simply choose the largest or most relevant building in the mobile app and then select the rounds observational mission. Every area type mission contains a different number of tasks depending on the audit items typically found in that type of space. In all missions except for the rounds observational mission, the first task will ask you to select the building floor or level that you are on. Click into that task and select only one floor or level. Once you have made your selection, navigate back to the list of tasks by clicking the Done button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You will notice a green check mark next to the first task. That means the task has been completed successfully. The next task will ask you to select the area type. This task functions the same way as the floor and level selection. Note that rounds observational missions will be conducted across multiple floors, area types, or buildings. In this mission, you'll be asked to enter the round name and round work order number instead of selecting the floor and area type. There will then be a series of tasks for you to complete that will change depending on the mission itself. Initial tasks will be high-level questions about the asset tier, asset type, employee type, etc. As you move through the mission, questions will begin to become more specific about the observations you are making in the field. These will be either yes, no, or multiple choice tasks as necessary. Please note that there will be conditional questions based upon your responses to capture more details and photos if a deficiency is reported. Keep in mind that the photo tasks are optional in all missions, meaning that you will still be able to submit your response without completing those tasks. Once you've completed all of the required tasks in the mission, you will notice that the gray bar at the top of your screen has turned green. The orange Submit Mission button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen is now lit up as well, meaning that you are now able to submit your response. When you are finished, click on the orange Submit Mission button and confirm your submission. Note that you are able to start a mission and click Submit without a Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. However, those responses will be stored on your device until you have an internet connection. You can see the status of your missions by navigating to the main menu and selecting Recent Activity. Also notice that you can contact the GoSpotCheck support team from directly in the app if you have any problems along the way. Overall, the IQC tool enables Aramark to scale quality control measures efficiently across the various sectors while recording deficiencies and targeting where additional training resources may be warranted. The reporting attribute within GoSpotCheck's website contains all mission responses rolled up into scoring metrics made accessible to all account managers so that progress can be monitored over time. As a reminder, the COE asks that all O&M personnel conduct at least one O&M mission per week. However, the more missions that are conducted per week, the greater the volume of reporting data, which leads to greater account insights more quickly. For additional support and resources, visit the facility's COE website located on .net at www.aramark.net/facilitiescoe. Here you will find deployment tools and playbooks to assist with getting your account ready for activation. An FAQ section is also underway to answer the most commonly asked questions regarding the quality control tool and process.